Hey guys, I have got a package from Lizzie Tanner, and it's the little fingers, and it's the Glamerliz fingers, and I just want to show y'all these. I've heard a lot that her fingers and hands look very real. I got the painted one. She do have some that's unpainted. That's cost a little less than the ones that's painted. So I'm going to go ahead and open this, and this is how it comes. And her fingers comes in this, and I think her hand comes in a box. Okay? This is my first time ordering from her. It did take a while for shipping. And that's understandable because it takes time because she paints them. And I'm sure everybody at home and, everybody want to be a nail tech. That's what it seems. Everybody want to be a nail tech right now. It's real. You hear me? They have so many new YouTubers now getting into nails. It is like so unreal. So this is how the package look. It's just in that little, holographic bag, purple. And I got the ones that has the little things on it. Oh my goodness, look at this. I didn't think I was going to get any nails because I did not order nails, y'all. And y'all have to wait till my next video so I can tell y'all, because I ordered a red DaWanda that I'm going to review, and I forgot to get the tips. So I'm going to tell y'all what I'm going to do on that one. Y'all stay tuned for that one. Y'all going to love it, okay? Y'all going to love it. So y'all better hit that notification bell. Y'all better subscribe because you do not want to miss this, okay? Okay, it comes in this pretty little package. It is so cute. Let me zoom in. Look at this. Oh my goodness, this finger is beautiful. Miss Tanner. Okay. Now, the one finger is $40 because you get this right here and it's painted. Now, the ones that's not painted, you do not get this. And it's not painted, and those are $20. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, y'all. This is so real. And you get the little suction cup thing that you can just plant right here and do your business. Oh my god, y'all. This is this looks really good. This is oh my goodness. This is really good. This is just really looks real for real. I'm talking about looks real for real. Y'all, this is my first silicone hand, so I've watched a lot of YouTubers, and when you look at it on a video, you're like, okay, it looks real, but hey, it's not in real life. I'm looking at a video. It don't look real in real life. Oh my god, this looks so real in real life. I'm not kidding you. It looks like a god doggone real finger here, and I'm like, oh my god. I'm gonna have to get her full hands, but I want to, test that painted look, girl, that painted look. You hear me? She already put the nail in there, and y'all know that her nails have a pull out, and she have deep wells that you just slide on like that, like so. Oh, it's suction cup real good, and I have glass on here, so that's real good for me. But I'm telling you, the wells are very deep, and you can just push that in there. I don't know if they deep like the full hand one, but that's the further it go. It like goes about right there, all the way about right there. I mean, look at this, guys. This looks so real. It's just, I can't believe it. Okay, I got this one, which is the cool tone. She has like, I think 4 or 5 colors, and I got Naomi. I had to get Naomi, I had to get Naomi. And you get 5 finger nails. Oh my god, y'all. Naomi looks real too. And you know what? I like it that it's not that soft and looks really real. They are kind of hard. It's not that soft. Oh my god, look at that. Naomi looks really real. The only thing I don't like about the dark colors is that the nail bed is dark like they color. I wish those people that make these able to paint the nail bed of like an orange kind of peachy look, pink look, you know, because you know it's the nail bed is brown, and I don't think that's appealing for this. I really think they should put a color to the nail bed, to the dark pans, because that part is not realistic at all. So this is the only con I have with this. With all the mocha looking acrylic hands, fingers, and everything, they need to take that in consideration because nobody's nail bed is brown like this. So that's the only downfall they're not really paying attention to. Now the lighter ones is fine, but they you can also like apply a little pink to it, you know, make it look real. Because when you apply these clear, like when you apply these natural ones, it's fine. But if you apply a clear tip on here and you want to do a French manicure, you know, and you put that pink, that sheer pink on there, you will see this brown color through that pink sheer. So, you know, that's it. But the brown is very, very nice too, you know, and it's hard to master browns, mocha color skin tones. She fairly does a good job. I wish she would have a lighter brown, not so dark. It's really kind of too dark for me, but it's beautiful. You know, I'm not complaining about that. It's beautiful, but I just think this is a little bit too dark, you know. I think she should lighten her up a little bit. Or I have this one and another lighter one. This is just too dark. Okay. Because I think Beyonce is a little warm. She's not really dark, you know. She's not really dark at all. She like a more of a caramel color. So I think she need one just a little bit lighter than this. I can't stress that enough. Okay. And I think if she lightened her up, it'll look more realistic to me. And the nail bed wouldn't be so dark. But I like both of them. You know, I like both of them. Okay, but see, that's what I got here. And this sticks down really well. You know, I wonder if I can, it's silicone too. It's silicone. It's not hard. It's not hard at all. It's silicone here and it's silicone here. It's not hard. Do these come off? Oh, it's like she attached that to the thing. I wonder if I supposed to have did that. Or did it just accidentally come off so bad? Uh-oh, did I break it? Lizzie? But you know what? I wonder if I could do it like this and actually hold it to my little clip thing. But I was going to hold it like this to my little clip thing. I wonder if I can hold it like this to my little clip thing. But it's not broken. I just need to put it back in there. It's going to take me some maneuvering around to get it back in there. But I don't think I'm supposed to have did that, guys. I'm up there experimenting. You hear me? See, it just got a little hole in there. I just need to put back the spring. Because I think that's how she attached this to this. But that came loose a little bit too easy. I hope I can really get this back, because it's not doing it for me. Okay, there it goes. It clicked in real good. You just got some maneuvering. Oh, this turns. It turns. That's what that is. Okay. All right. See, I'm learning something as I go. I'm messing around with it, tearing it up, and figuring out how to position it. But yeah, it turns, guys. And I know if I put this like this, I can actually, you know, if I put it on my little thing back there, and you know, it turns side to side, 360, all the way around. I don't know. This looks like the middle finger, huh? Okay, look at the print on the back of this. This looks so real, don't it? Detail. It's really pretty. It really is. But I would like a lighter one than this. Just a little bit lighter. That suction is pretty good. You hear me? I think I'm going to get the other two colors. The Beyonce and I think, I can't remember the other one. But I think it's two more. I think I'm going to get those two too. For one nail designs. I like this. Y'all, this is too much suction. This is a lot of suction. Not a bottom piece that came off. This suction is quite well. You hear me? And I don't know if I'm supposed to have I really don't know. I hope she see this video and tell me, does this supposed to swivel around like this? Because it looked like it's attached to it. It really looked like it's attached to it, and it don't supposed to come off. But I think that's just how she, you know, she did that. Y'all, that suction cup is unreal. You hear me? I don't know. Ooh, you got to be careful with that. You might have to dig that off your table because that suction is unreal. That thing going to keep popping out of there. She give you five nails plus one on there, 6 for each one. I like these little bags to store them in too. Yeah, she give you 5 plus 1, 6 nails each. They all the same size, of course. And that's it, guys. If y'all have any questions about this, I will leave a link below where I got these from. And Miss Tanner, you did a great job on the features of these silicone fingers. Really appreciate the detail work that you put into this. And until next time, guys, y'all have a smiley day. Bye.